Generator engine overspeed trip total blackout. Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today's video is another troubleshooting of our video regarding the generator engine due to overspeed abnormal alarm activation. So the normal RPM about 900 RPM, but the RPM is more than 1000 that trigger overspeed trip. And now you have to check the safety function. Okay, activated and stop the engine. And now first you have to check one by one the fuel oil pump rack if we have any abnormal or sticking cylinder number 1 to cylinder number 6. So this is the common cause one of the overspeeding of the generator engine due to sticking, but all cylinder is in good condition. And now we have to proceed the instruction manual of the Woodward governor of generator engine. We have a trouble common cause of overspeed, the governor malfunction, faulty speed sensor, fuel rack sticking. And we have to check one by one this checklist until we found the trouble causes. And then lastly, the electrical wire connection from control room going to the generator junction box. You have to check the power supply. Check the governor speed control unit. We have 100 volt supply and output of 24 volts. And this going to the EB to governor servo motor. And also we are going to check the speed switch unit. We have a supply of 24 volts and output of 24 volts, and this is supply going to the fault sensor. And this is the name of the parts to be checked one by one for our generator engine junction box electrical diagram. And check the safety circuit module for any abnormal alarm. And the second is the 204 circuit module. And inside the panel board, this is the 204 circuit module. We have an indicator alarm, any abnormal, and also the 203 circuit module. We have also the alarm indicator of any abnormal. And next, we have to check the Woodward motor control unit. We have a 100 volt supply and 24 volt outlet supply. First, you have to check the output 24 volt supply. 0 DC volt. And next, you have to proceed to check the 100 volt AC supply. 0 volt. So this is normal while the generator engine is stop condition. And now we proceed the junction box. The power supply of 24 volts going to governor servo unit. Next to be checked is the speed switch. Supply of 24 volts and outlet of 24 volts. And this is going to the fault sensor. To be confirmed that we have a 24 volt supply. After checking the electrical wire connection, power supply all is in normal condition. And now we have to proceed the magnetic solenoid valve condition. You have to check one by one for any abnormal leak. All solenoid valve is in normal condition. And for our next step is the faulty speed sensor. Send wrong RPM data triggered false trip. Disconnect the power supply of the fault sensor. Disconnect the wire connection. Remove the electrical wire connection and secure. Measure the distance of the fault sensor before the disassembly. Loosen the lock nut. Turn counterclockwise and remove the false sensor. Check the false condition. Check the gear teeth. And this is before cleaning. And this is after cleaning of the sensor tip of the false sensor. Check the condition of the false sensor. After checking the condition of the false sensor found in good condition, and then mounted back into the generator engine. Check the distance measurement before the disassembly. Mount the electrical wire connection. After cleaning the false sensor, and now we have to carry out the starting test of the generator engine. But the problem is still the same. The generator engine still overspeed alarm trip. For our next step is the governor setting are incorrect. Speed setting too high. Now we have to reduce the speed setting of the governor by 3 turn counterclockwise. After reducing the speed setting of the governor by 3 turn counterclockwise, and now we have to carry out starting the generator again by the local mode. And now the generator engine start without any abnormal overspeed trip, but the RPM is 980. And now we have to reduce the governor speed setting, lowering the speed setting up to normal RPM of 900 RPM. And now the RPM is in normal condition. The fuel notch is 12. And now we have to check in the control room to lower the frequency if the governor motor is following. And confirm the governor is following during lowering the frequency. And now we have to raise the frequency from 60 Hz to 62. Next is to check the actual movement of the speed setting of the governor by lowering and raise the frequency and confirm our governor is following orders. After checking, now we have to restart again the generator engine in local mode and check the running condition in the control room. Check the RPM. Pickup sensor in normal condition. And now you have to synchronize the generator engine and put a load for about 100 kilowatt only and observe the running condition for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, put into parallel in the service generator. So after the observation, now we have to stop the engine and start again by remote control. Start the engine by the remote mode at the control room and observe the running condition. The generator engine start normally. Check the speed switch RPM, normal condition. Now put the automatic and put into solo service and observe the running condition of the generator engine. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.